Guess who's in my kitchen cooking?
Hi, honeys.
And look at Walter messing up the food.
I'm not messing up anything.
Here's my breakfast, y'all. I got a spinach and egg
Green
and
onion,
green onion,
sausage,
bacon,
and cheese.
and cheese omelet. Look at that. Okay. Thank you, Amber.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Amber.
And she's still cooking. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna make me and Mackay's.
Oh, she made our food before she made Mackay and herself.
Mackay is sweet.
She got some more eggs she stirred up there.
He
She's
likes green onions too.
putting the green onions and the spinach in the skillet first. That's the kind of spinach she uses.
Dang, I poured too much in his.
Well, he can have part of mine, and I'll take that.
No, I'm gonna just break off some of his and then
Okay.
give it to me.
She's Chef Amber.
He got half the sausage in his.
He loves sausage. He ain't got no sausage in his little Mickey Mouse bowl.
He got one, but I gotta hide it. I'll give it to him last.
Oh, she gotta hide it. Cause he see that. That's all she wrote. He gonna eat the sausage and won't want anything else.
Bacon. He like bacon more.
I thought he liked the sausage.
He like bacon more than sausage.
Oh. Putting the cheese up in there. Okay, I ain't gonna film you because I got to eat.
If he was in here, he'd be wanting some cheese.
Oh,
He like cheese by himself.
there's someone in my kitchen cooking.
That might be. Because I measured it. Yeah, I think that's good for him. A decent size.
Perfect. Putting that cheese up in there.
Let's see if I get some more.
Then she gonna fold it over. You see how the baby looks? He eats good, don't he? He's a nice, juicy, chunky baby. He ain't roly-poly, but he's healthy.
This is done.
That's done. Where's Mickey Mouse plate? He was playing with it yesterday. Look at that breakfast for a 1-year-old. Oh my goodness. Now you're gonna cook another omelet for yourself.
Yeah.
I cook everything at one time.
I like them to be perfect. It ain't gonna be perfect if you
Okay, my food be perfect.
all together.
All right. So what you trying to say? I think she's throwing shade.
And I already cleaned my spinach.
My people was getting on me about not washing my salad, the ready-to-use salad. Even though it's already pre-washed, they say you're supposed to wash it anyway. So I will from now on, probably. See, she had her green onions already chopped up and put them in the mason jar. They keep well in the refrigerator in a mason jar with the top on.
Okay.
Oh, she's fixing that with love.
Your egg gonna be cold.
Yeah, I'll pop it in the microwave for a second. You know what? You could have cooked all that bacon at one time in my electric skillet.
Oh, I ain't
Didn't think of it.
I put a little bit of bacon in each of ours.
Okay. And what we got? A lot?
No,
Oh.
we each got like a little bit of bacon.
Okay.
Except I mainly do just sausage.
And besides chicken, y'all, breakfast food is my favorite. I love breakfast. And she washes her hands. Well, I ain't raised no nasty cooks. Walter sang the baby to sleep. While the baby was running around here, we was trying to keep him out the kitchen. So Walter got him, sang him, and the baby went to sleep while he was waiting for his breakfast. Poor thing. But she gonna wake him up and give him his food.
He had some milk too.
Yeah.
He's not hungry.
That's right. Clean up as you go. Oh, you put a lot of cheese in yours, huh?
This is just his extra. But
Oh, you brought that cheese from home, right?
yeah,
Because I had white American.
yeah. He usually would have ate the extra by now while I'm cooking.
Ain't ready to be turned yet.
It's too soupy.
You gotta wait till that cooks down some.
I'll just put it under it to make it hurry up.
Yeah. That's one thing I don't do. I don't fix breakfast. I don't know how many times y'all have seen me fix a breakfast. Probably never.
No.
I love it, but I don't do breakfast. Well, every now and then I may fix a breakfast for dinner, or egg and bacon sandwich or something. But as a rule, I don't. I'll go to a restaurant for my breakfast. Or
And a little bit burnt.
have my daughter fix me breakfast. Hello.
It still don't taste good.
Yep, it looks good.
I don't like it to be, that's burnt to me.
That ain't burnt. That's brown. Same color as you. Nicely brown.
I like my eggs yellow.
Come, you got more omelet than me.
Because I measured it kind of wrong. You want mine?
I'm playing. And I don't play too much.
This is mine.
Okay. She's been cleaning up as she goes. She had 2 skillets for the bacon. Okay. I'm about to get my eat on. Let me see if it's still hot. Yep, because this melamine bowl holds heat. There's my breakfast, y'all. I think I'm going to thumbnail hers.
Dad probably spitting out his spinach. I put spinach in his.
Okay, that's hers. Yum, yum. And Walter done dirtied his up with all this seasoning. And there's Makai's breakfast. Look at that. Okay. Okay, thank you, Amber, for letting me film you.
You're welcome.
All right.